the right, all the legs cut. 3 guys making cross braces. That's the part that supports the seat. Somebody feeds them. They put them on the floor when they get them just the right length. They're lining up the pile. These are the 6-foot pieces that are going to be the tops and the seats. Down here, there's a crew cutting the 6-foot pieces. And then the 6-foot pieces are going down to be piled over here. This is how we run a production line. Meanwhile, over here, we have 2 guys doing the worst job of them all. These guys are drilling holes. We have to pre-drill holes for a lot of the pieces we put on. And I think this is a perfectionist. We don't actually have to make the pile that perfect. And this is somebody working on a different project. This is a stool, and she's using a spoke shave, not part of the production line. How to make a picnic table in a hurry. Or how to make 50 of them. These guys are putting the pieces for a tabletop into a jig. They're going to put spacers between them, and then they're going to put some cross pieces. We can look over here. These guys are putting screws into holes which have been pre-drilled in some pieces of wood. They've got a lot of them done. See them on the floor down here? Well, those pieces of wood with the screws are going to be used over here. Just take a look. The pieces of wood that are being slid into position right now are used so that we get these cross pieces in the proper place. The piece with the screws in it right there. A piece at this end. A piece at the other end. Put the screws in, and we'll have one finished tabletop. So let's continue on our production line and see what's happening over here. There's a lot of wood in the shop. That's because we've pre-cut all the pieces. Those pieces are pieces for the tabletop. Over there on the bench are legs which have been all cut to the right size. And right here, we have a crew who are making leg assemblies. They put the legs into the jig. 4 bolts go into each leg with a little bit of glue at each joint too, just to make it really solid. When they've got the bolts in, they pick it up, put it on the bench. And then after they're on the bench, of course, we put some lock nuts onto the bolts, a washer as well, of course. And then we can tighten up those nuts in a hurry because we have a hammer drill with a socket on it, and that will be used. And so it goes. There's one leg assembly almost finished. When the leg assemblies are finished, we take them down here. There's a stack of leg assemblies. We'll have about 80 of those leg assemblies pretty soon. And we'll be assembling tables in just a day or so, because down at the far end of the room, we're already got tabletops assembled. I'll show you how to make the seat assembly as well once we start doing that. And then I'll show you how the entire table is assembled. This is 3 minutes so far. You get a pretty good idea of how to build a picnic table. And I'll continue once, as I said, we start making seats. We make seats the same way that we made the tabletops, except instead of long cross braces, they're short cross braces. Put them together just great. And this is how we assemble the tables. I've told them it's a race, and each crew has 2 rookies and 2 veterans. So we'll see how they do. Gracie, don't let those legs collapse. So let's see what's happening. You got to get it centered before you tighten up that clamp there.
Oh, like, you guys are embarrassing. I'm supposed to be good at this.
So right now we're putting clamps at each corner to hold the leg assembly to the tabletop.
Give her hell, make Austin proud.
This end lines up perfectly. Looks good. Oh, the race is going well. I think the Western crew is leading at the moment. Whoa, and it's going to start raining. We only shut down for lightning strikes. The screw on the end is at a little bit of an angle so it doesn't come out the bottom. We try to put the screws in such a way they're just flush with the surface. Somebody with a hammer starts locating all of the screws. The screws are half an inch from the edge of each of the boards. You can look through, Gracie, and see the piece underneath, so you make sure you put it in the right spot.
Aaron, what are you doing?
Oh, and this end is done already. 2 more screws. And over in the distance, we have the girls who have finished assembling the legs. We'll start another crew once this little race is finished, okay? Sure.
You're in full production mode here.
And we're making a video. What can I do for you, sir?
I need a couple of nails.
Sure.
Sorry. I didn't know you were videoing.
Could you show him where the nails are, please?
Nails, yes. For
This is a race.
I have to just, it's just a test question.
Oh, the seats are going on already. You got to put the clamps on the seats, guys, too. Oh, both crews have got seats going. They're neck and neck. I think the Western crew is winning. It must be Grace that's making it faster. Just kick it in, Aaron. That's it.
How many on each seat?
The hard part comes when they put the braces on. I don't know if that rookie crew is going to know how to do braces. Just kick it in, Reese. Kick it in a little bit. There.
Where are they?
Beside the buffer. To your left. To your left, Aaron.
Just 2?
Yes? Those are the braces that are going to tighten it up.
This one.
On this side.
You guys guys don't need more than one drill.
I don't know if there's room down there for two of you.
Can I screw it down, Gracie?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hit.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on this too.
You did 3 screws on that side.
Oh, you guys are winning. What is the prize?
The angle at the bottom.
Yeah, I did.
So it's 2 on
Connor, they're killing you.
Carter, I did angle it.
How do you like it, girls? Isn't that cool? Yeah, there's a little rain around here.
Good.
It's done. Casey, you have to push up on you. Hey, start screwing the other side.
I did.
That's been 5 minutes and 53 seconds so far. Oh, you gotta finish one seat yet. Done? The winners, YouTube stars. Let's see. And they're down on their last few screws to hold the braces on.
That is freaking.
Thank you, everybody. Take a bow.
I got a certain
6 minutes and 34 seconds so far. The final step is to router the edges of the top and the seats. That's what these guys are doing. And the season is coming to an end. As I back up here, you begin to see what we've done in the last 2 weeks or so. There's about almost 50 tables out here. That's what we will have finished by the end of our production line. Quite amazing and quite profitable, I might add, too.